These are tips and tricks that will help you skyrocket your earnings on UHRS platform from anywhere in the world, and this include Nigeria. The kind of tips I be sharing includes the best time of the day that you can log in and you'll be able to get great HitApps that pays very well. I be showing you why getting banned on certain HitApps does not imply permanent ban on UHRS platform. I be showing you how you can get notification and you'll be able to know when there is availability of high-paying HitApps on UHRS platform that can earn you more money from anywhere in the world. You will learn how to avoid spam hit both at qualification stage and when you are treating active HitApps that can pay you, which can avoid you from getting banned. It is so important you watch this video to the end. You'll be able to know and see a recommended video I've done about UHRS platform that shows different contractors that you can work with. Also, you can get paid either via PayPal or Payoneer, but my top recommendation is Payoneer. But first thing first, so let's do it. This is UHRS platform. What you need to do is to sign up. You click this place to sign up. This is my profile page now. You'll be able to see different categories of jobs. They are listed here. This is the total jobs that I have. I have 16 hits now currently here. If you click on it, you see so many hits. Look at them. These are different hit apps for me to start taking and start making money with. This is where you select different categories of hits that you like to work with. If you click this place, you'll be able to see HitApps arranged according to their price tag. So if you click all, you see all the HitApps. The first thing you need to learn is to know the features of the HitApps. It will help you to know how to manipulate and manage yourself inside the UHRS platform. So this is the title of the HitApp. This is the earning per hit. That is the amount you earn for every task. That is, you can call it like every click you click and treat. Currently we have over 800 hits for this particular hit app. It is important you know that this 800 hit is available at the same time for everybody worldwide. So it's the first come first serve. This is the description of this hit app. This is the time that is allocated to complete each hit to make this money. This is where you start the training because you need to follow the guideline to do each of the hit apps. So this is where you get started. You click this place to do the training. If you click here now, you can see the hit app enforces required training. So after the training, you will do qualification, which is like exam. You have one training attempt. So for this particular hit app, it's only one training attempt that you have. So by the time you click here, this is how the training look like for this one. We have different training for different hit apps. After doing the training, you are expected to start the qualification for each hit apps before you can have the job available for you to start making money. You have to know that each qualification can be between 2 to 3 attempts. If you make mistake, you didn't pass it, you won't be able to do and make money with such hit apps. Don't forget that we have many hit apps. So if you fail one, you qualify for the next. Also, in the process of you trying to pass the qualification, there's what is called spam hit. That is, the essence of the spam hit is to check how well you are judging and doing the qualification. If you are just clicking anything anyhow, the spam hit will detect that you are just doing it like a robot. You are not really reading it. The essence of spam hit is to catch people that are not serious with this job. So the advice is for you to make sure that you do it right. You read the instruction and you follow the qualification. Otherwise, spam hit will catch you and you'll be banned from taking each of the hit apps. For instance, if this particular one, this job, they ban you, you'll be banned from here. But banning you does not mean completely banned. You may be banned for an hour or two or until tomorrow and you'll be able to have access to this. If you are banned for a particular hit app for 3 times, you may be banned forever on each of the hit apps. For instance, if this hit app ban you forever, that doesn't imply that you are banned on UHRS platform as a whole. You are only banned from one hit apps. You will have access to do other jobs that is listed here. But your objective is to make sure that you are not banned on any any of the HitApps. Also, if you score less than 70% for your qualification on each of the HitApps, you will not be allowed to go on for each of the HitApps. So you should target to score over 70, 80 or 90% on each of the HitApps. Apart from being banned because you are not doing the qualification properly, that is through spam hit, you can also be banned using speed ban. That is, you are not supposed to rush it. There's what we call speed ban. It will ban you. That is, you have to avoid doing it at a faster rate. So those are the two type of ban. That is spam ban and speed ban. Another tips you need to take into consideration on this platform is that your contractor will only make this space available for you for like 8 hours at a time. You can't work more than 8 hours. After that 8 hours, you'll be log off and log out. Before that 8 hours is completed, if you are log off, you can always log in again at any time of your choice until that 8 hour is completed. If you just log on and you are doing nothing, this platform will log you out. So one of the best way to get more jobs on this platform is to ensure that you consistently logging on and checking jobs. So most especially if you have a job with a lot of money like this one now, 20 cents, 1125 cents, people will be rushing them. That is why they are very few. So you have to rush those jobs as soon as they are made available to you. So one way of getting more jobs and increasing and skyrocketing your earnings on this platform is to stay logged on the platform, and you continue to refresh this page so I'll be able to see new jobs that is released on the platform. Another thing you can do to increase your earnings on this platform is for you to partner with other people that are doing this job. As soon as they release HitApp with good pay, your friends and family members can quickly contact you either by phone or call you that, okay, quickly log in, there's enough job with high pay for you. Other ways are if you search online, there are WhatsApp group on Reddit and on so many other social media platforms that involve UHRS contacts that you can join, and they will alert you instantly as soon as there are good HitApps with good pay for you on the platform. Another strategy you can put in place is to download this Chrome and install it on your browser. It's called Smart Auto Refresh. It will do the refresh for you automatically, and you'll be able to see when there is new job, and the system will not be able to throw you out because of inactivity. You may be watching video, you may be doing something, waiting for job to be released on the platform. Another tools that you can use is called Hit Assistant. The Hit Assistant extension is a useful tool to anyone looking to stay competitive on UHRS. So it helps you stay informed about new HitApps that are available to work on by sending you notification when a bookmark HitApp appear in the UHRS marketplace. So you have to bookmark a particular heat map that you like to do. This is the bookmarked 2 HitApps. With this Hit Assistant extension on Chrome, I will be alerted as soon as they release more jobs as it relates to these 2 HitApps that I bookmarked. When I'm alerted, I will just quickly start doing the job, because like this 200 job that is released now is worldwide. So it's first come first serve. So you quickly start doing them. Another hint and tips that will help you earn more is to make sure that you select the one you love to work on, most especially those with high pay. Take the training and the qualification, pass them. Don't wait until they have jobs. As soon as you pass the qualification, you now start waiting for them to release jobs. Some people will now wait until they have job before they start doing the training. If you are waiting to do the training when they have jobs, people will have finished the released jobs before you finish the training. That is why you have to do the training beforehand. So you just code and select high paid HitApps, do the training, pass the qualification, and wait for them to release job. As soon as they release jobs, then you start doing the job to make money. Another great tips that you need to know is that the best time to get good paid HitApps on UHRS platform is during US working hours. So if you are in Nigeria, you study the daytime in US. That's when you stay awake in Nigeria. If it is in the night, that's when you see them releasing jobs in droves, job with high paid, and you'll be able to start taking them. But if you wait and you are not considering US time, you will not be able to have access to good paid HitApps So ensure you observe the working hour and daytime in the US to earn and access more HitApps. Another great tips that everybody need to know to continue to make money with this platform is that you can only work with one contractor. That is why you have to watch the video I'll be showing you towards the end of this particular one. It takes you about the rules and regulations that you need to observe working on this platform. So I stated different contractors and I did my recommendation, and it will help you to stay within the rule and regulation of UHRS so that you will not be banned. Thank you for watching this video and God bless you. Bye for now.